Hey there, smart shoppers.
Welcome back to our channel, Buy Smart. Today, we have an electrifying showdown between two treadmills that will get your heart racing. On the left, we have the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, and on the right, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill.
Get ready for a treadmill throwdown like you've never seen before.
Let's kick things off with everyone's favorite category, price.
The Goplus treadmill comes in at just $299, while the NordicTrack T-Series 5 will set you back $599.
Now, I don't know about you, but I could use that extra $300 for a spa day.
Gotta treat myself, right?
Moving on to features, both treadmills have some cool tricks up their sleeves.
The Goplus treadmill is a 2-in-1 wonder with a folding design that allows you to use it as a jogging machine or a full-on running treadmill.
Plus, it has a powerful 2.25 HP motor, perfect for those who want to break a sweat without breaking the sound barrier.
On the other side, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 is all about connectivity. It's IFIT enabled, meaning you can connect your smartphone or tablet for worldwide outdoor workouts and resistance adjustments. Talk about a virtual adventure. And with its built-in tablet and smartphone holder, you can binge watch your favorite shows while getting fit.
Multitasking at its finest. Now let's talk about user experience. The Goplus treadmill boasts a non-slip running belt with a spacious area for a comfortable and safe workout.
Its LED display shows time, speed, distance, and calories, keeping you on track with your goals. And hey, it even has a Bluetooth speaker, so you can blast your favorite tunes while you're breaking a sweat.
Meanwhile, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 offers quick speed controls, allowing you to easily adjust your intensity with just a tap. No more fumbling around with buttons like a confused octopus.
Plus, with its 300 pounds user capacity, it can accommodate a wide variety of household users. So, no more excuses, folks. Last but not least, let's talk about size and warranty. The Goplus treadmill wins in the space-saving department with its compact foldable design.
It's perfect for those of you who are tight on space or want to hide it away when not in use. And guess what?
No assembly required. It's ready to roll straight out of the box. On the other hand, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 has a larger footprint, measuring in at 48.67 height, 30.5 width, and 68.3 depth. So make sure you have enough space to accommodate this bad boy. But hey, it's protected by a 10-year frame and 1-year parts and labor warranty, so you can work out with peace of mind.
Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's what people are saying about these treadmills.
And there you have it, folks. The Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill, battling it out for your fitness needs.
Whether you're looking for versatility or connectivity, these treadmills have got you covered.
So which one will you choose?
Remember, always think smart and buy smart.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic product comparisons. Until next time, stay fit and keep making those smart purchasing decisions.
See ya!